Hello. Today I want to give you a small sample of the things that one can do with Azure Cognitive Services. Okay, so basically I already have created my Azure Cognitive Services, specifically the computer vision in Azure, and I can use it to analyze images. But further than that, what I am doing here is actually using it to detect the text from a photo, and the end goal is actually to be able to get the list of ingredients that are in the actual product you are taking a photo of. Okay, so I haven't completed that yet, but I have some progress on it. So let's use the Swagger UI for development purposes, demo purposes, right? So let's find the file. You see that this file is actually the image we just saw. Okay, so something really important is that the image needs to be less than 4 megabytes and between 50 by 50 and 4200 by 4200 pixels. So as you can see, and a maximum of 10 megapixels, I think. Okay, so I'll execute this and we'll see what happens. So the operation is actually asynchronous, so you post the actual stream to the service. You get an operation ID. You need to wait for the actual operation to finish processing, and when it finishes processing, you can continue the execution. Okay, so yeah, since it's analyzing images, it actually takes a little bit, especially because it's getting the text that is in the actual image I sent. So let's wait a couple some more seconds, and we should have a reply there. Okay. Okay. So we have the response, we have some information, and we see that we have here that it says this is actually in Spanish. So it says that it's for portions, ingredients. For Rapiditas is actually the name of the product. Integrales Bimbo. This is part of the actual description that was um, in the product. And yeah, this has a couple of receipts. I don't know how you pronounce it in English. Of how you can prepare some foods by using this product. So it gives you the list of ingredients for this product along with the how you prepare it, and the same for this other product. This rest is the distribution information, and down here we see that we have the ingredients. This is in Spanish too. It says ingredients, and it says harina de trigo integral, and it has a lot more of other stuff there. So let's see if it actually found this text. So we go back, we scroll down, and we see that we have ingredients: harina de trigo fortificada con niacina, vitamina 83, hierro, tiamina. So it actually found the ingredients, and then okay, so basically the actual ingredients for the product is in this part of the text. So There are a couple of things that one can do with it. Most simple, use some dictionaries that you can use to compare the words. You can use probably some knowledge database. Yeah, so those are kind of the easier that you can use. So yeah, you can compare against that. So you get the list of ingredients. You recognize which of these is an ingredient. And yeah, we can split the text so we can see that it has harina de trigo. We can see that there is a colon, a comma here. There's another one here. So we see that all of this is one ingredient along with the kind of description of it. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. This was actually done by using Azure Computer Vision. The code is pretty much simple. I actually use the Computer Vision SDK. Basically, the only thing that you do is, in my case, I am receiving a photo stream. Well, a stream that is the link to the actual photo. We generate the computer vision client. We pass the actual key and the endpoint from our computer vision in Azure. This one is something I had to do for the other stuff in here, but I didn't have to do it in here. The original analyze photo stream that I had, it actually did a couple other stuff. So it used to analyze with computer vision and face, because it was actually detecting faces too. And I needed to go back to the position 0 of the stream, because after the after the SDK took the stream, it actually levied at the end, so the position was at the end of the stream, so I need to go back to continue the previous operations. In this case I don't need it because it's just the first operation that is there. So as you can see, we invoke the recognized text in stream async. We send the photo stream. So I'll tell it that the text recognition mode is printed, because those things that are actually printed. When we do this, we actually get an operator location. This is basically the URL that we need to track. That URL has the operation ID, and the operation ID is what we actually need to be constantly requesting to see if the operation has already done. So you do a simple loop in here. Once the operation stops being in the status of running, we can continue the rest of the application. So this case, if the actual status was succeeded, I get the lines, I select the text, I convert it in an array, because I only want to return a string array for this specific purpose. So actually the one I should have been seeing is this one. And you can see that it actually returns, and that's pretty much it. So that's one of the things you can do with computer vision. Hope you have liked it. Take care. Thank you for watching.